What if? What if we can cure childhood cancer without the side effects of chemotherapy and radiation? What if we can eliminate sickle cell disease by reprogramming the gene that causes it? What if we can use social media to identify depression in teens? At Seattle Children's Research Institute, we start each day with this powerful two-word question. Our answers are changing the world. Hundreds of what-ifs have become everyday realities thanks to remarkable discoveries from dedicated investigators. Established in 2006, the Research Institute has grown to one of the nation's top 5 pediatric research centers. Our campus in downtown Seattle is now home to nearly 1,500 scientists, specialists, and staffers, and we anticipate the need to triple our facilities in the next 10 years as we continue to explore, innovate, and cure. In concert with Seattle Children's Hospital, community collaborators, and our supporters, we're helping to achieve our shared mission of preventing, treating, and eliminating pediatric disease. In the lab, in the clinic, and in the community. You can see this in the work of Dr. David Rawlings, an immunologist who asked, what if we can edit genes to eliminate chronic disease?
Gene editing allows us to take a mutant genetic change and change it back to a normal sequence to help cure a disease. And I would say this is truly a new frontier, and it's a long time in development, and we're standing on the shoulders of lots of other people and lots of other work. But I think, pediatric medicine is poised to make these kind of interventions. So gene editing can, I think, in the near future, help us cure a wide range of genetic diseases, ranging from primary genetic immune diseases to sickle cell disease to cancer.
Neuroscience investigator Dr. Susan Ferguson has made great strides in behavioral research by asking the question, what if we can identify the brain functions that lead to specific mental health disorders?
My research really focuses on trying to map the connections in the brain that regulate psychiatric diseases, things like addiction and ADHD. And what we're really trying to do is at the cellular level, we're trying to understand what changes are taking place that might be causing these diseases, and then how we can go in and reverse those changes. We're in a neuroscience revolution. The kinds of technologies that we now have in our basic science research are completely changing the way that we do science. The biggest impact of my research would be hope. Hope to the patients and to their families that better treatments are coming.
The investigations at Seattle Children's Research Institute have made a measurable impact here and around the globe. Our standing as a world-class research facility was a major reason why Dr. Jeff Sparing was attracted to Seattle Children's.
These kids are who are going to be our future leaders, and I never want an illness or a disease to be the thing that limits their capabilities or their capacity. So I think as much as this is about giving, it really is about investing in the future and what we want for all of our kids. Research at Seattle Children's was actually one of the key reasons why I came here, and what I was so impressed about is because so much of it was really focused on not just the science and understanding. There's this passion about, hey, let's understand this, but let's really get this to kids as quickly as we can. If we have a community that's really focused on how do we help kids, how do we discover and eliminate childhood disease, it really has to come from those private funding sources. And that's again why we're so grateful for the community and what they've been able to do to help us find these cures for kids.
We've made great progress, but much still needs to be done. Which raises the question, what if I can help Seattle Children's Research Institute improve the lives of children, teens, and young adults around the world? You can. And grateful families everywhere will thank you. Seattle Children's. Hope, care, cure.